Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the second part of the topic descriptive adjective. As we have already discussed the definition of descriptive adjective, the agreement with the noun and the placement of the descriptive adjective. Here we'll discuss the exception. So if you haven't watched the descriptive adjective video or the first part, I'll share the link in the description box. So let's start. When we are talking about the exception, we call it bangs. Bangs. In sometime people say it bags also, but I have added numbers also to it. B stands for beauty. A stands for age. N stands for number. G stands for goodness, and S stands for size. So we call it bands. Beauty, age, number, goodness, size. Correct? I have written few examples. So let's discuss. Bo zagda. Bo zagda. In our first part, we have discussed that the positioning of the descriptive adjective is after noun. Correct? But here the positioning of the adjective or descriptive adjective is before noun. Correct? Before noun. And this is for these exceptions only. Rest will be same. Bo zagda. Zagda is garden. Bo is beautiful. Is one. Or A bo zagda, a beautiful garden. Correct? Agreement with the noun is same. We should agree with the noun in gender and number both. A jolly tableau. A jolly tableau. Right? A beautiful painting. Or jolly is pretty also. So, a pretty painting. Correct? Une belle femme. Une, feminine word, because femme is feminine, adjective is also feminine, and article is also feminine. Une belle femme. A beautiful woman. A beautiful woman. All these are coming under beauty. Correct? Second one, a view chateau. Chateau is castle. View is old. A is article. A or an old castle. An old castle. This is adjective, this is noun, and this is article. So we should agree with the noun. Correct? A view chateau. A jeune garçon. A jeune garçon. Garçon is boy. Jeune is young. So, a young boy. Correct? Une nouvelle voiture. Voiture is car. Nouvelle is new. So, a new car. A new car. Agreement with the noun. Feminine, feminine, feminine. Masculine, masculine, masculine. Masculine, masculine, masculine. I hope it's clear. Okay. So this is coming under age category. Third part, which is number. Trois petites pommes. Pomme is apple. Petite is small. Trois is three. Three small apples. Three small apples. Cinq grands Ag. Ag is tree. 5 big trees. Plural, plural, because this is 5. So that is also plural. Cinq grands ag. This bell goes. Goes is rose. So this is plural, roses. So bell is also beautiful, which is plural here because it's a number 10. So 10 beautiful roses. 10 beautiful roses. Correct? Let's move to next. So these are coming under category of numbers. Let's move to G, which means goodness. Yun bon ami. Yun bon ami. Ami is friend. Bon is good. Indefinite article. A good friend. A good friend. Because here friend is feminine, so this is feminine and this is also feminine. Correct? Yun bon ide. Ide is idea, which is feminine word. That's why we have put bon here. A good a good idea. A good idea. Correct? Un excellent livre. Livre is book. An excellent book. An excellent book. So they are coming under goodness. Right? Now coming to size. Une grande maison. Maison is house, which is feminine word. That's why grande, we put additional E to it to make it feminine, and this is also feminine. A big house. Right? Une petite tasse. Tasse is cup. Because this is feminine, that's why petite, small. We have added extra E to it. Une petite tasse. A small cup. Correct? Un grand éléphant. Éléphant is elephant. Because this is masculine, that's why it's masculine. Masculine. Un grand éléphant. A big elephant. A big elephant. Right? I hope it's clear. So these are banks. Right? Beautiful or handsome, new and old. These are basically irregular descriptive adjectives. So it had different forms. So I have made one table here for better understanding. There's one note. Placement, we have already discussed that in case of banks, we are placing the descriptive adjective before noun. Second one is indefinite articles they reduces to the or the apostrophe. Excuse me. Indefinite articles like yun, they. So basically we are talking about plural here, so they. They reduce to the in case of plural noun and plural descriptive adjective. We'll discuss it with the help of example. A beau livre. A beautiful book. Because book is masculine, that's why masculine. And this is also masculine. A beautiful book. So we want to make it plural now. As we have discussed here, that indefinite article they will reduce to the in case of plural noun and article. This is plural. This is also plural. It will become the. Right? It will become the. The beau livre. Some beautiful books. A beautiful book. Some beautiful books. Correct? Un nouveau livre. A new book. The nouveau livre. Some new books. Plural, plural, and this is as per our note. A vieux livre. Vieux is old. A vieux, an old book. Plural, some old books. The vieux livre. The vieux livre. Correct? So this is for beautiful, new and old. Same will apply with when the word starting with vowel like this. This is for masculine. Vowel. Un bel auto. Automobile. Un bel auto. A beautiful automobile. Right? A beautiful automobile. And we want to make it plural. The beau auto. some beautiful autos or automobiles. Correct? Some beautiful automobile. A nouvelle auto. A new auto. Nouvelle. Here it was beau in case of masculine. Here it's belle in case of vowel. And its nouveau is nouvelle. A nouvelle auto. A new auto. The nouveau auto. Some new autos. Correct? A VI, old. Here it is view in masculine. Here when the noun is with starting with vowel, it will be VI. A VI auto. An old auto. Some old autos. The view auto. The view auto. I hope it's clear. Okay. Let's move to the feminine one. For singular, une belle voiture. A beautiful car. Belle is beautiful. Voiture is car. Une belle voiture. Beautiful car. Let's make it plural. The belle voiture. Some beautiful cars. The belle voiture. Second, une nouvelle voiture. A new car. Plural, the nouvelle voiture. Some new cars. The nouvelle voiture. See, plural. And this is the, as per our rule. Une vieille voiture. Une vieille, old. An old car. The vieille voiture. Some old cars. Some old cars. So as I said that beautiful, new and old, they have different forms. So we have discussed in masculine with vowel and with feminine, and same for the plural one. Correct? Okay. Let's discuss few more examples. There are some descriptive adjectives which changes its meaning with the position. For example, un ancien médecin. Ancien is old, but here because we put it before noun, so it will become a former doctor. A former doctor. When you put it after noun, it will become une maison ancienne, an old house. This is a former doctor and this is an old house. Correct? Next example, une chère amie. Une chère amie. A dear friend. A dear friend. Here the position is here. Here the position is here. Un repas cher. An expensive meal. So this is a dear friend and this is an expensive meal. Correct? Le dernier exercice. Le dernier exercice means the final exercise. The final exercise. And here, when you put it after noun, it will become l'année dernière, last year. L'année dernière, last year. So basically, these descriptive adjectives are change their meaning when they are changing the position, like this and this. Correct? Okay, let's discuss some example. C'est une belle maison. C'est une belle maison. It's a beautiful house. It's a beautiful house. Correct? This is the descriptive adjective here. Even this is also same. Maison is feminine. That's why Yoon and Bell are also feminine. C'est le nouveau collègue. He is the new colleague. He is the new colleague. C'est le nouveau collègue. Correct? Il y a de grandes voitures dans son garage. Garage. There are some. See, this is the because this is plural, as we have discussed. Il y a de grandes voitures dans son garage. There are some big cars in his garage. J'ai de nouvelles idées. I have some new ideas. The plural. I have some new ideas. J'ai de nouvelles idées. Next. C'est un vieil homme. C'est un vieil homme. He is an old man. C'est un vieil homme. C'est un vieil homme. C'est un excellent livre. C'est un excellent livre. It's an excellent book. C'est un excellent livre. I hope it's clear. Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.